Hey, I have a quick question for you. As a repair shop owner, I know that you fall into one of two different groups. Want to know which one it is? Buckle up because we're starting right now. Hey, I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. Thank you so much for taking a minute out of your day to watch this real short video. If you're a shop owner and you want to grow your car count, income, and profits, go ahead and smash that subscriber button, ring the bell icon, and you'll be on your way. So I asked you at the beginning of this video, which one of the two groups do you fall into? And this is going to be really short. Number one is, obviously, you understand that text messaging your customers is the fastest, easiest, and most convenient way to communicate with them because they get the message all the time. Only 97% of those messages are read within the first 3 minutes of being received. But you've struggled and you've looked at different platforms, and everything that you've looked at takes you hours, if not days or weeks to learn. And then you've got to do things like duct tape 3 or 4 different platforms together to actually get it to send messages that you want to send, like digital coupons, appointment reminders, customer referrals, or even bounce back coupons. But by the time you've done it all, you find none of it really works. Or you're in group number 2. You're already using a text messaging app that's bolted on to your shop management system like a cheap set of mud flaps or one of those fancy rear spoilers, but you still can't broadcast digital coupons that get 10x the response rate, or set up scheduled appointment reminders, get customer referrals, or even use it for bounce back coupons. I know, it's sort of like you're working with your hands tied behind your back. Well, the good news is we've just opened up this brand new trial of the GoMode text messaging system, and it is available to you as a repair shop owner without any obligation. I know you're watching this thinking that there's got to be a catch. Well, the fact of the matter is there is. Well, there's 3 catches. Number 1, you have to be the bona fide shop owner in order to get this trial started. Number 2, you have to be a real bricks and mortar repair shop. This isn't available for techs that do auto repair as a side hustle or personal messaging. And number 3, your shop has to be located somewhere throughout the United States or Canada. Outside of that, you're in. So down below is a link to go and watch a short video that's going to show you 14 things that you can't do. Well, you can't do it if you're not texting, but if you're already using one of those cheap apps that bolts onto your shop management system, you can't do these either. So go ahead and do that. Go slide below to the bit.ly link and meet me on the other side. Let me show you what you're missing, because let's face it, if you can't text your customers, well, what are you going to do? How are you going to communicate with them? But I'm going to leave it at that. I'm Matthew, the Car Count Fixer. I can't wait to see you on the other side. Go ahead and get started. I want to send you a text that your GoMode text message number is up and running, ready to go. Take care. Talk real soon.